comes forward with his knees and runs through his opponent. Also, there's a clip of Kane fighting, same thing. Someone grabbed him, Kane put his knees on the ground, forward, using his hamstrings, calf hamstrings, and runs through them. In many situations, when someone shoots on one of our wrestlers, Kaizen's going to shoot, Chrissy goes here, and then he just runs through them and puts them on their back. We have video of Aaron Gandara, Drew Morgan, Safi Williams, an endless amount of people, but one of the people who used it very effectively was Jason Welch in his finals match against St. John in the NCAA. And you see Jason come down with his knees, and he just bangs into him and knocks St. John onto his side. So it's a very effective movement. We do a fair amount of body leveraging sequential muscle order on the daily to make athletes be able to use this, because not only is that forward movement congruent to putting an opponent on their back, it's also key in coming out of a bad shot, a shoot, then your athletes trying to reshoot and shoot again, because they'll get extended, but when they learn to pull their knees through, then it's super effective. So Chris, if you would, Chrissy's back here, he's going to go forward on his knees, and then he's going to pull his body